What is going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Alright, so the next stock for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the trend that we're in, our support and resistance lines, our entries, our stop loss, all that good stuff, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're up almost 1% for the morning. Pre-market is $785 or $700.85. Yesterday we closed almost down 2%. So you can see that I told you guys on the previous video that I made yesterday that if we did break below this and below this candlestick, that we are going to start this downtrend. However, if we zoom in really closely, did we break below it? We really haven't broke below the 691 yet, even though we're right there. We're really close. I don't want to consider this in a downtrend just yet, because we have this trend line that's above these candlesticks, so that also shows that we're starting a downtrend. Let me go ahead and check the volume real quick. The volume's at 53,000. We wanted at least over 150,000. I know it's still early. It's almost 8 o'clock where I'm at. The market doesn't open until 9:30, so I'm sure that'll pick up by the time the market opens. If you guys want to know what these lines represent, I will go ahead and do that for you real quick. So this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we came up, got rejected here, came up, rejected here, ultimately 3 or 4 times until we got pushed and all the way back down to our major support line. Off of this level, we bounced up off from here, and then started this upward trend into this middle support line that we have here. This is a minor support or resistance line. Up here are our major, and this down here is our major support as well. So these help us apply where we're headed, and also helps us find our entries and all that good stuff. So yeah, as of right now, I wouldn't consider this a good buy, not just yet, just because we need further confirmation on the direction that we were headed. That's kind of similar to what I said yesterday. That's because we really didn't know. We were kind of chopping around and bouncing around on this support line, and now we just gapped under. So are we pulling back? We might be, you guys. Even on the RSI, it looks like we have all these tops and starting to pull back down. We're not oversold just yet, you guys. We want to come back down to this level. So if we do pull back, our next kind of minor support area is the 664, and that would be if we turn around and start trying to break past the resistance line again. So honestly, the best thing that we can do is just wait, just to see exactly where we're headed for today, you guys. If we do end up pulling back up onto the support side, then you can have an entry set. If we break above back over the 704 area. If we can do that, I would have your stop loss on the opposite side at 688, and then your first target being back up here at the 656 level. So I'll say that again just in case you didn't understand. If we can break above this minor resistance, since we're under it now, we basically are under this as of right now. So now if it turns around and tries to break past it, it's going to have minor resistance. If we look left, like Beyonce says, we have all these candlesticks that says so. We can see that it came up over here, got rejected. We see that it came up and pushed back in this area. So more than likely, this will push off back from this area. But if we can break above that, then you can set an entry, have your candles, your stop loss under, like I said, the 688 area. That gives you enough room just in case there's a candlestick wick that peekaboos below this level, and ultimately doesn't tag you out if it does go higher. So, and that's being the ultimate aggressive trade, you guys. If you're more of a safer trader, then obviously you're just going to sit on your hands on this specific stock and wait for a better entry, because for all we know, since we've gapped under here and we're starting this downtrend, we could pull all the way back down to our major support line, and that being at the almost $592 or $600 level. So, and that's quite a difference. So we want to be able to see that we can continue this uptrend and that buyers are still stepping up. As of right now, we don't see that. It's not really checking off on my checklist, you guys. We can look at the RSI, we can look at the trend line, and we can see that the actual candlestick itself is sitting under our minor resistance, and it's a hammer stick candlestick. I'm sorry, a bottoming and tail. So as of right now, like you guys, I would personally wait for further confirmation. You can be the aggressive trader, but like I said, that isn't the wisest decision. So if you guys like the content that I put out every single morning, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create these videos every single morning for you guys. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.